Spring is finally here, and it's the perfect time to infuse your home with vibrant, fresh, and free-spirited Bohemian decor. Imagine stepping into a space filled with earthy tones, lush plants, and eclectic touches that bring a sense of calm and creativity to every room. In today's video, we're going to show you how to take your Bohemian style and give it a modern twist with clean lines, contemporary touches, and bold pops of color. From geometric patterns to DIY projects, we've got all the ideas you need to create a space that feels both laid back and stylish. Stick around till the end for simple ways to personalize your decor and make it uniquely yours. Let's dive in. As the days get longer and the flowers start to bloom, spring is the perfect time to refresh your home with a Bohemian twist. If you're not already familiar with Bohemian decor, it's all about embracing a free-spirited, eclectic style that blends natural elements with a mix of colors, textures, and patterns. It's warm, inviting, and wonderfully imperfect, a reflection of nature itself. Now, imagine adding a spring twist to this already vibrant style. With the season's fresh colors, blooming flowers, and a sense of renewal, your home can transform into a cozy, creative sanctuary. The beauty of Bohemian style lies in its freedom. There's no right or wrong way to do it, but by bringing in springtime elements, you'll create a space that feels alive, vibrant, and perfectly seasonal. To create the ultimate spring Bohemian vibe, you need to start with the essentials: textures, colors, and nature-inspired decor. Natural materials are at the heart of the boho aesthetic. Think wood, rattan, macrame, linen, and cotton, materials that bring warmth and an organic, lived-in feel. Whether it's a rattan chair, a macrame wall hanging, or linen cushions, these earthy elements create a sense of comfort and earthiness. When it comes to color, Bohemian decor embraces earthy palettes like muted greens, terracotta, warm neutrals, and deep blues, colors that reflect nature and help create a calm, peaceful atmosphere. These hues also complement the vibrant plants and floral patterns that are central to the Bohemian aesthetic. For spring, I suggest adding pastel blooms and soft greens to bring a touch of freshness to your space. Floral prints in your throws, pillows, or curtains are an easy way to bring the outdoors inside. While Bohemian decor is already eclectic by nature, adding a modern twist will give it a fresh, contemporary edge. This means blending clean lines and minimalist touches with traditional boho charm. One way to add this modern twist is through geometric patterns. Think abstract shapes, sharp lines, and bold designs that give your space a more sleek and structured feel while still honoring the Bohemian vibe. Another great way to modernize is by using metallic accents like gold or brass, whether in your lighting fixtures, picture frames, or decorative objects. These shiny details will add a touch of sophistication and contrast against the soft textures of boho furniture. The key to balancing the eclecticism of boho with a modern edge is to keep the color scheme cohesive. While Bohemian decor embraces boldness, you can bring in minimalism by selecting a base color palette and using accents in geometric patterns, metallics, or solid colors to keep things from feeling too chaotic. This will create a harmonious yet dynamic space that feels fresh and current while still maintaining that signature Bohemian charm. One of the best parts of Bohemian decor is that it's so personalizable, and DIY projects are the perfect way to make your space truly your own. For a spring twist, why not make a macrame wall hanging? Macrame is a classic boho element, and creating your own piece gives you the chance to infuse personal creativity into your decor. You can also add a pop of color by dyeing the yarns with your favorite spring shades like soft pinks, greens, or yellows. Another fun DIY is decorating terracotta pots, whether for plants or as decorative pieces. Paint them with vibrant patterns or use pastels to create a soft, spring-inspired feel. If you have vintage finds, try incorporating them into your spring decor, whether it's a worn leather chair, a handmade bowl, or an old wooden frame. These unique touches will bring authenticity and charm to your bohemian space. When it comes to textures, experiment with layering rugs or throw blankets to add richness and depth. Try mixing woven, shaggy, or patterned fabrics to create a visually interesting, cozy vibe. So there you have it, spring bohemian decor with a twist. From embracing natural textures and earthy colors to incorporating modern touches like geometric patterns and metallic accents, your home can feel refreshing, vibrant, and uniquely bohemian this season. Now, I'd love to know, which bohemian spring element are you excited to try? Maybe the modern geometric touches or the DIY macrame projects. Let me know in the comments below. I love seeing how you bring these ideas to life in your own spaces. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss more home decor inspiration. Also, share your bohemian spring projects in the comments or tag me on social media. I can't wait to see how you're transforming your spaces. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.